Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I make this absolutely delicious shrimp Alfredo with my homemade Alfredo sauce. So make sure to stick around and watch. So for our yummy shrimp Alfredo dinner today, we are going to need some of these small peeled, deveined, and tail-off shrimp. You can use as much as you want, so I'll probably use the whole thing. We're going to need about 2 cups of Parmesan cheese, and once the sauce is done, you can add more if you would like to. 1 entire box, this is a 16 ounce, so it's about 2 cups of whipping cream. I have some garlic. These count as one. I'd say about 6 garlic cloves. 1 whole stick of butter. I know, a lot of fat, but that's what makes it really good, guys. Some Italian seasoning. I'd use maybe about a teaspoon of this, and then to sprinkle some on top. About, I'd say, half a teaspoon of pepper. You know, we'll just put it in and to whatever you're liking. I'm gonna use the adobo to season my shrimp. So it's gonna be in between half a teaspoon to a teaspoon to do that. I'm assuming, we'll see. I usually do it by sight. And then I'm gonna have some additional salt on the side just when it's done, in case when I taste it, if I feel like it needs a little bit more salt. So let's get started. I'm first going to begin with the 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to press them down in there. You can make this as garlicky as you want to make it. Then I'm using half a teaspoon of the adobo. I found that that was just right on the shrimp. And then I'm mixing everything together very well. So I have my pasta running around the same time that I start cooking my shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and put the fire up to about a medium. And I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of the butter in here. This is simply where I'm going to be cooking my shrimp. Once the butter is all melted, I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. Shrimp has been cooking for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to simply go ahead and remove them. Then I'm going to add in the rest of my butter. I have my heat at about a medium low now. Now I'm going to go in and add my garlic. Once I'm done adding in all of the garlic to the butter, I'm going to let it simmer for about a minute or 2 because I want my garlic to release all that delicious flavor. Next, I'm adding the whipping cream, the pepper, and the Italian seasoning, and using a whisk, I'm mixing all of the ingredients very well together. I'm going to let everything simmer together for about 2 to 3 minutes. You see how you start getting these little simmering bubbles? Once that time comes, it's time for us to add our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add 1 bag first, and 1 bag had about 1.5 cups. Then I'm going to mix everything until the cheese is all nicely melted. You're going to see that the sauce is going to start thickening, and it's going to take about, I'd say, 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce makes it to that desired thickness. Once that happens, I add in the shrimp and I give it 1 final mixing and let it cook for about 1 additional minute. And you're going to see that you are going to get this delicious, creamy, buttery Alfredo sauce. It is just amazing, and it hands down beats any pre-made sauce. At this point, you can give it a taste, adjust the salt if you want to, or add any additional cheese, and you can turn off the flame. And now the best part has come, and is when we serve it and we enjoy it. I like my pasta very saucy, so I put more Alfredo sauce on it.
How did I know to get you the big one?
So good.
Ooh.
Hey, look, I got one of your noodles again.
Oh man, I feel bad for everybody else that's not eating shrimp Alfredo tonight. That's good.
And we have plenty of leftovers for tomorrow's lunch. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!